Hi, this video is a suggestion. If you want to make a suggestion and see it made into a tutorial, you can do that by leaving a comment. The images that I'm going to use, you can find links to these in the description of the video. Now let's get started. The first thing we need to do, of course, is to open the images, and first start with opening the background layer, which is going to be this paper with this tear in it. And then you open as a layer, just go to File and select Open as Layers option and open the image with the eye here, which is a much larger image, so we need to scale this down. To do this, let's grab the Scale tool, click on the image, then click on this chain to keep the aspect ratio, and just click and drag like this to scale it down. And I think something like this, a height around 1100 pixels will work just fine. Just scale down. Then the next move will be to go ahead and position this layer behind the background layer. To do this, make sure this is selected and click on this option. Then we grab the Move tool, make sure we are on the Move tool, click and drag this to position it around here. Now we can stop here, but I think it will look better if we add a little bit more shadow and also maybe change the color of the paper. So to change the color of the paper quickly, we can select the top layer, go to Colors and use this tool, Colorize. Just click on this and then use the hue here to quickly adjust the color to, let's say, this one for example, and click OK. Now the paper here comes with a shadow, but it's barely visible. I would like to increase this. And to do this, I'm going to use something that I showed you how to install recently. I showed you how to install these layer effects here. If you want to watch a video on that, you can find it in my channel. It's one of my recent videos. So once you get this installed, we can use the drop shadow here. You can see we have many different options. I'm going to use the size option, change it to 25, and the distance I'll change to 20. So I'm increasing the size and the distance of the shadow, then just click OK. And this is going to take a little bit of time to generate the shadow. Now you can see how this looks. It's a little too much, so we can select the layer here and decrease it maybe to around 50%, maybe even a little more, around 40. And I think this looks now much better than what it used to look without this additional shadow. You just give it, especially looked from further out, it gives it a much more realistic look. So that's it for this video. I hope it was useful, and if it was, make sure to like it, and if you're new to my channel, make sure to visit it for more and to subscribe. That's it for this one. Bye for now.